Generally, all applications for opening PDF files can print as a booklet, or like a book. One of them is the Nitro PDF Pro application I use. The method is very simple and easy to understand. Watch this tutorial to learn how. Go to the print view. Then scroll down and in the settings on the left, change from page scaling to booklet. The print preview will then appear on the right. You can click print to proceed. During the printing process, you'll be prompted to reinsert the first printout, but reverse it, with the back or blank page facing forward. Then click OK to continue printing. After printing, fold and arrange the pages according to the page number sequence. The result will resemble a book. So, how easy is it? That's how to print a PDF booklet using Nitro PDF Pro. I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.